This is the second site of the Salinas Pueblo Missions we're checking out, and it's the Abo Ruins. All three of the locations are within an hour drive of each other in central New Mexico. Like our first stop, the visitor center is closed, but that's okay because the ruins are still open. And this one is a beauty. A small parking spot is right across the street. Hopefully we find angles we like for shooting astrophotography later in the evening. All right, we're at another one of the ruin area. This is the Abo section, and this one looks a little different. It is red. It's pretty cool. Kind of gives you an idea what this looks like. Pretty neat looking. Man, I couldn't imagine what this was like many hundreds of years ago. Cool place to live. Got another kiva in this one.
Oh, we can't go in, it's closed.
It's all right.
This is as far as we can go.
Oh, some areas are closed.
That's you, Gray. You're JOB. So, when I ask you about a dog, you say you just have one.
Just winds around. Gonna go that way.
Tell me what you decide.
Little slots all over these places. Look at this old wood too. Unless it's new and they've replaced it. I'm sure they've done some pretty good maintenance on this. All right, we're gonna check out that is way on the far side. And we might do some astrophotography out here tonight, depending on the weather. We're just looking for the best angles. So we might shoot from this direction. The Milky Way is kind of over here. It just depends on if it rains or not. Man, this is where they lived. This was kind of a cool area back then.
Right here, see?
And a little nature walk trail. And this is a grave. Interesting.
Different types of objects that can be used to destroy. But the last day is the 26th.
Some more ruins, Pueblo pottery. All right, and across this little street, they have a picnic area. A little more history. But it's a decent looking little picnic area. Looks like the grill is locked up. You're gonna have to pay for that. They've got trash cans and some picnic tables in the shade. Love the purple flowers there. There is a crow fighting another bird, or two. I think it's trying to invade its nest. If I can see it. Somewhere in there. They're trying to get him out of there. Dang, look at him going crazy on him. Get away from our nest. And there's a few more ruins right over here, but you can't go in there. Looks like they have cones. Probably trying to fix it up a little bit. Actually, it looks like you can go in there from this side. I'm not sure what that's all about. Why they put a cone on that side? Maybe they're afraid that's going to fall down. Very cool. All right, back to the truck. Lots of other little side ruins you can take a look at. Don't forget to clean up after your dogs. And this one is the Abo. That one right there. We have one more to see. Here's the visitor center. Nobody's here. Not a lot of these places actually have people. Really interesting. And this is a loop to get yourself out of here, so you're not going to get trapped at the end of the road.
All right, it's on to our final stop.